Okay, now we're going to be doing our line design project, and here's an example of a completed line design project. What you're going to want to do to start is you're going to go directly in pen, so you're not going to do this in pencil first, you're not tracing from your rough draft ideas, and you are going to start off with your scribble. So you start anywhere on the page that you would like, and you're going to use the whole motion of your arm. So you're not just using your wrist, you want to use your whole arm to draw. So you're going to start and let lines overlap them and cut back through till you connect back to where you started. When you're all finished, you should have between 15 and 20 spaces or sections. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I don't quite have enough. So what I can do is add a few more. So if I had 9, I've now added 10, 11, and maybe I will cut that off so I've got 2 there. So now I have about 12 different sections. Now what I'm going to do, in each section, I'm going to fill in a different line pattern. I want to make sure that my line patterns are non-objective, so that means they're not representational of anything specifically. So if it has a name like a heart or a star, that's an objective shape. We don't want that. So what we want to do is we want to be creative, but we want to come up with line designs that are interesting to look at and that will fill up that entire section. Just keep going. So it almost looks like now this curvy line kind of got squished together. And then I might kind of fill in some of this area here to clean up some of those edges. This was always one of my favorite designs when I was younger. And then I might even just put in some extra lines here. So I'm going to fill in all of this. Thickening up some of the lines, so you want to think about using different varieties of line thickness and sizes. Then maybe I would have another one start off this way, and then I would continue doing the same pattern over this way. Again, completely staying non-objective. This one I used curvy lines. I can use straight lines as well. If I'm going to use a straight line, I need to make sure I use a ruler for every straight line that I use or that I draw. I also want to try and make the whole design when it's finished about 50-50 black and white. So when you look back at the final example, you'll notice that there's not more overpowering black or more overpowering white. It's pretty even throughout. And you want to have a different line design in each of the different sections, so you're not going to have the same design in any one section. Be creative.